Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the Aroma Diffuser. I have received this one to review and it's actually coming in this really nice box. It has quite a few different fragrances apparently, or essential oils, and it is supposed to have the rose essential oil. It has the orange essential, lavender, jasmine, vanilla, mint essential one, lemon and tea tree. So it is supposed to look like this, which looks really cool, and it has 4 timers. It could be used for 270 square feet to 368 square feet, 500 milliliter water tank, remote control and colors. So it has also a light, seems like. It has inside the box we have got the diffuser itself, so we have the remote control, so 8 times of 10 milliliter essential oil, and the user manual and the adapter. So this is another side of it, so the product name and so on and so forth. And so I would say let's open it up, see what we have inside it. There we go. So interesting design, I would say. So these are our essential oils. This is the box itself. So let's take this out. And well, that's pretty much it. Let me put this one aside. And let's remove this. Really nice looking one. Looks pretty cool actually. So this is a plastic, it's not a wood, but looks like a wood. I'm not sure if this thing can be opened or what. Yeah, there we go, can be opened. So there we go. So inside it we have the user manual, we have the controller, the adapter, and this is basically where we can put the water. So there's a small fan in here as well, and this is where our adapter could connect to, and that's where the basically power cord could go out. And well, looks like this. Now let's check the user manual and see what we have got inside. Number 1, so we have the light mode. So number 2, we have the high or low switch. Number 3, we have got the mist switch, basically the intensity, I would say. And other than that, air outlets, so that one's number 6. So they are in the sides as well, they are the air outlets. And yeah, pretty simple, I would say. Let's see how to use it. Connect the power, add the water to the water tank, drip into the oil. After adding the water to the water level line, add 3 to 5 drops. So water level line, that is, so how much water? So water tank volume is 500 milliliter. Move away the top lid and add the water until the water level line is not exceeded. So I think it's talking about this line in here. Drop into the oil. After adding water to the water level, well, it's written other way around, so it's not supposed to be drop into the oil, but rather drop the oil into the water. So turn on the diffuser, put the top lid probably back, yeah, and after 3 to 5 days of using it, we recommend you to clean the product to avoid limeska. Okay, fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Cool. So I would say let's give it a try and see what we have got in here. So first thing, I would connect the power cord, because if you put water inside it, we cannot connect the water cord and the power cord anymore. So there we go. It's not that long, the power cable, I would say. So we connect it in here first and pass the cable through this small hole in here. There we go, done. Now I connect it to my power. Alright, now my power is actually connected, so I would add some water to the device. Alright, now I have added some water to the device as well. Now let's have a look at our essential oils. So we have the orange, the rose, vanilla, lavender, jasmine, tea tree, mint, and lemon. Great. Let's give a try to the orange. There we go. Smell it. It smells amazing. So it says 2 to 3 drops. Let's just put 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now we close the lid like this, and now I would turn this thing on. This is the light, so the light can actually change the color as well. That's very cool. Let's go with this, and I turn it on. So the fan actually is turned on from the bottom, and there we go. Right away we have the diffusion. Very nice. I think if I press it one more time, it becomes even more intense. So off, low, medium. This is like the maximum intensity. So it has like 4 modes. Smells amazing. Even such quick is already generating the smell. That's incredible. Well, pretty cool. This is really amazing. So what else do we have in here? I really like the smell and the intensity, and the color is pretty cool. Now let's give it a try to the controller and see what we have. Remove this one. So off, on, now let's give it a try to the controller. On, intermittent or continuous. You can give it a timer. It actually shows on the, there is a color in here showing. And basically I go on the light like this, and pretty cool, I would say. Really nice. Not that loud actually, although there's a fan in here. Pretty nice. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.